Welcome to my honest review of TimeSolv, a powerful accounting and time tracking software designed for professionals. If you've been looking for a tool to streamline your business operations, TimeSolv might be what you need. Let's start by exploring its main features. The dashboard is sleek and user-friendly, with everything you need accessible within a few clicks. From time tracking to invoicing, it's all organized in one place. One of the highlights is the time tracking feature, which allows you to easily record billable hours. You can track your time manually or with the timer function, making it suitable for various work styles. TimeSolv also offers robust invoicing capabilities. You can create and send invoices directly through the platform, making billing smooth and professional. It integrates with payment systems like PayPal and credit card processors, so clients can pay quickly and securely. The platform supports multiple billing rates, so whether you're working on hourly or project-based tasks, it accommodates your business model. Another great feature is the project management tool. You can create projects, assign tasks, and track progress. This makes it easy to manage your work and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. The reporting tools are also very useful, providing insights into your time usage and financials. These reports can be customized and exported, which is ideal for professionals who need detailed records. Now, many useful links can be found in the description below after watching this video, so feel free to check them out. TimeSolv also has a mobile app for both iOS and Android, which allows you to track your time on the go. This flexibility is perfect for professionals who are always on the move. However, one limitation I've noticed is the learning curve. While the platform is powerful, it may take some time to get used to all the features. Overall, TimeSolv is a great tool for anyone who needs both accounting and time tracking in one package. Its integration with accounting software like QuickBooks is a huge advantage for users who already rely on other platforms. If you're a freelancer or a small business owner looking for a comprehensive solution, I recommend giving it a try. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you found this review helpful. Don't forget to leave any questions or comments below. I'll be happy to answer them.